Yenyuke ngo-8.4 amaphesenti imali eqoqwe yi-SARS kunyaka-mali ka-2025-2026. Ukhomishana wakwa-SARS uthi nakuba lelizwe belisabhekene nokukhula komnotho okushaya ngonyawo lonwabu, ukucisha konga ugesi kanye nomphumela owenzeka ngesikhathi se-COVID-19, kodwa-ke le mali isho ukuthi isimo somnotho waseNingizimu Afrika siyethembisa.
So at 3 o'clock, I had the pleasure of refreshing our engine and we crossed the threshold of 2 trillion. So we collected 155 billion rand more than last year, a remarkable year-on-year growth of 8.4% under these economic conditions, where nominal growth for now is projected to have grown at 4.8%.
Abantu abasebenzayo yibona abafake kakhulu intela, kulandele intela yemikhiqizo yempahla i-VAT kanye nezinkampani ezehlukene. Ukhomishana we-SARS uthi ingu-458 billion amarandi imali yentela abayibuyisele kubantu, nokuyimali-ke eyaye isize ukufukula imindeni eminingi.
I want to point out that refund payments that we pointed out of 458 billion, especially during tough economic times for small businesses and families in financial stress, are an important lifesaver and a necessary injection of cash into the economy.
Ungqongqoshe wezemali u-Enoch Godongwana ubonge kakhulu abantu baseNingizimu Afrika ngegalelo labo eqoqweni kwentela.
South Africa is immensely proud of all your efforts and always providing a more positive outlook to our country. Beyond the numbers, your commitment sends a powerful message of hope and progress.
I-SARS ithi isikwazile ukuqoqa imali engamabhiliyoni amarandi emva kwalokho okwahlaluka ekhomishaneni kaZondo eyabe iphenya ngezinsolo zokuqhwaga kwamandla ombuso.